Hello everyone, and welcome to Talk Easy English. I'm Emma, your English teacher, and I'm really happy you're here today. Before we begin, if you want to improve your English step by step in a simple and clear way, don't forget to follow this podcast and share it with your friends. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever spoken English and suddenly thought, was that correct? Or maybe you understand English, but when you speak, something just doesn't sound right. Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's episode, we're going to talk about some of the most common English mistakes that learners make, and more importantly, how to fix them. By the end of this episode, you'll feel more confident, and your English will sound much more natural. So, let's get started. One important thing to understand is this: making mistakes is completely normal. In fact, it's a very important part of learning. Most English mistakes happen because we translate directly from our native language, or we learn rules but don't know how to apply them in real conversation. So today, I want you to relax. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on understanding and improving step by step. Let's look at our first common mistake. Many learners say, "She go to school." But this is not correct. The correct sentence is, "She goes to school." Why? Because when we use he, she, or it, we add s or es to the verb. So remember, he goes, she works, it rains. Now let's move to another very common mistake. Some people say, "I am agree." This is incorrect. The correct sentence is, "I agree." Why? Because agree is a verb, not an adjective, so we don't use am with it. This is a small mistake, but fixing it will make your English sound much more natural. Here's another one. Many learners say, "He don't like coffee." But the correct sentence is, "He doesn't like coffee." Remember, we use doesn't with he, she, and it. Now let's look at another mistake. Some people say, "I did a mistake." But in English, we don't say do a mistake. We say, "I made a mistake." So remember, make a mistake, not do a mistake. Another common mistake is, "She very happy." This is incorrect. The correct sentence is, "She is very happy." In English, we need a verb in the sentence, and here the verb is. Now, one more important mistake. Some learners say, "I am here since Monday." But the correct sentence is, "I have been here since Monday." This one is a bit more advanced, but very important. We use have been to show something started in the past and continues until now. Now, let's do a quick practice together. I'll say a sentence, and I want you to think if it's correct or not. Ready? Sentence 1. He don't understand me. This is incorrect. The correct sentence is, he doesn't understand me. Sentence 2. I am knowing the answer. Incorrect again. Correct? I know the answer. Great job if you got these right. So what should you do now? Here are 3 simple tips. Number 1. Listen to correct English every day. Number 2. Practice speaking, even if you make mistakes. Number 3. Focus on learning from your mistakes, not being afraid of them. Remember, confidence comes with practice. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of Talk Easy English. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow the podcast and share it with someone who is learning English. And if you want more simple and clear English lessons, stay tuned. I'll see you in the next episode. Keep practicing and speak with confidence. Bye for now.